Fun with Science by Abe Beeker. A science fair is a good place to learn about science. Students set up their projects at the fair. Judges give an award certificate or a trophy to students who have the best projects. A winning project is educational and gives a lot of information. Science fairs are fun. You might see a presentation about a plant or animal. Many science fairs take place every year, but you don't have to wait for the next fair. You can have fun with science all year. You may have seen a model volcano at a science fair at home or in class. It looks impressive when something sprays out of the top of the volcano. Fun with Science by Abe Beeker. A science fair is a good place to learn about science. Students set up their projects at the fair. Judges give an award certificate or a trophy to students who have the best projects. A winning project is educational and gives a lot of information. Science fairs are fun. You might see a presentation about a plant or animal. Many science fairs take place every year, but you don't have to wait for the next fair. You can have fun with science all year. You may have seen a model volcano at a science fair. It looks impressive when something sprays out of the top of the volcano. You can make your own volcano at home or in class. You can even make the kind that will erupt. This volcano was made by students your age. It is not the kind that erupts. First, get a clean plastic bottle. Put it on a large baking pan. Then use clay to make a volcano shape around the bottle. Don't build above the top of the bottle. Be creative and add colors to your volcano. Be careful not to get clay inside the bottle. These boys are learning about volcanoes. Next, mix together 1/2 cup of vinegar, 3 drops of soap, and a teaspoon of red food coloring. Pour the red mixture into the plastic bottle. Quickly add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to the bottle. Your volcano will erupt when you mix the baking soda and vinegar. Together they make a gas. As the gas rises to the top of the bottle, it pushes the red mixture over the sides. This looks like the volcano is erupting. You can do experiments to learn about the world around you. Experiment with static electricity. Here is one experiment. Rub a balloon on your hair. Then lift up the balloon. A balloon can teach you a lot about science. You will see that your hair sticks to the balloon. Rubbing the balloon against your hair caused electrical charges to build up on your hair and on the balloon. If two things have the same kind of charge, they push away from each other. If they have different charges, they pull toward each other. The balloon and your hair have different charges, so they pull toward each other. You can use different materials to experiment with balloons. Static electricity. Balloon experiment. Keep track of your experiments in charts like this one. Here is another balloon experiment. Rub a balloon on a piece of fuzzy cloth. Rub only in one direction. Rub 10 times. Then hold the balloon up to a wall. The balloon will stick to the wall. Then rub the balloon on the cloth again. Rub 10 times. Now hold the balloon up to your desk. Keep track of whether it sticks or not. Write down how long it sticks. Tell your friends about your experiments. Report your results to them. Together, you can have fun with science. Responding. Target vocabulary. Word builder. What words do you know that mean the same as creative? Copy this word web and add more words. Write about it. Text to self. You have just read about some fun science projects. Write a paragraph about a creative science project that you would like to do. Include at least 2 words from the word builder in your description. Target vocabulary. Certificate. Charts. Creative. Educational. Erupt. Impressive. Presentation. Report. Target strategy. Visualize. As you read, use selection details to picture what is happening. Word teaser. Which vocabulary word can you make if you rearrange the letters in starch?